this video, I'm going to show you how to balance a motorcycle wheel. What you'll need is some V-blocks, which is what I have. And if you don't have those, you can make some simple ones out of a piece of scrap wood. So let's get started. What you'll need is your wheel off your motorcycle, and I put a new tire on here. First thing we do is get the sticker off. What you do is you slide the axle through. No spacers or anything like that. And let's use the homemade V-blocks. You set them down there and you set it between two stools so you can see how it balances out. Before you do any balancing, you want to take your wheel and spin it and see how true it runs. This wheel runs pretty true. If it was bent or had a ding in it, it would throw it out of balance and I wouldn't be able to balance it. So what we do is just give it a slow spin and see if it's out of round. Let it rotate. Rock back and forth, and you'll see that this is probably the light spot of the wheel. This is a wax pencil used for welding, but use a piece of chalk or a pen or a pencil or some way to mark the wheel. So we let it get, so we go right above the top, and that's the light spot. See the mark? So that's the light spot. So we turn that 90 degrees. And we let it go again. See where it is. Rocks and it rolls. Again, it hits upon. So I have, this is a 20 gram weight. Just put it on there. Clip it on there and see. There's my light mark right there. There's the light mark. Clip the weight on. And you turn it 90 degrees again. And it doesn't turn. Try another spot. So we move real slow. Try it like right here. And that's how you balance motorcycle wheels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.